Hey there, stop. Is it really possible for us to get paid $25 every time we upload a done-for-you video to TikTok? Well, after 18 months of blood, sweat, and tears, we've accomplished exactly this. Introducing Upload and Bank. We've discovered a little-known, hidden in plain sight, done-for-you loophole inside the $200 billion TikTok algorithm. It's paying us $25 every time we upload a video. And when I say done for you, that means we don't need to create these videos ourselves. No editing, no showing your face on camera, no recording your voice, none of that. It's like popping a meal in the microwave instead of preparing it yourself. This brand new AI automated TikTok system's getting us a nuclear explosion of results online. All we have to do is upload videos to TikTok that are created by other people, and we get paid $25 to $50 every time we do it. Yes, it's really that simple. And I know $25 may seem like a small amount of money, but it quickly snowballs into large amounts of online earnings. Let's do some math. If we upload 5 videos, we make $125. If we upload 10 videos, we make $250. If we upload 25 videos, we make $625. And if we upload 50 videos, that makes us a whopping $1,250. So as long as I'm uploading 10 videos, I can make nearly $250 daily. Which isn't bad if you ask me. See how quickly that adds up? Remember, this isn't rocket science, nor is it hard work. All we have to do is upload videos that are proven to make money, created by other people, and we're paid $25 each time we do it. And it's not just my team and I having success with this. In fact, our initial beta testers have made a combined income of $23,985 within 30 days. And every single member of this test group was brand new to making money online. With this brand new system, there's no messing around with solo ads, Google AdSense, Facebook, YouTube, email marketing, or anyone else that you've seen before. This is brand spanking new, and it's here to stay for good. Here, let me show you how it works. Step 1. Click any of the buttons on this page to create your Upload and Bank account. Hurry, do this now, as we'll be closing our doors soon to any new users. Step 2. Download a series of done-for-you videos that'll be given to you. And Step 3. Upload the videos you've just downloaded to TikTok with just one click. 0 video editing required, and of course you don't have to get on camera or show your own face. Once you've uploaded the videos, the magic happens. This is the most important part, and it's what pays us $25 every time we upload a video. Think there's more to it? There isn't. Yes, it's really that darn simple. Sometimes good things in life are easy like that, and Upload and Bank is definitely one of them. There's nothing else to do. Simply fire up the Upload and Bank system on your device of choice, phone or computer, and begin uploading the done-for-you videos that we're giving you. And trust me when I say this, nothing beats the thrill of making money on the internet. I promise you right now that you're not going to find anything out there remotely similar to Upload and Bank. We've spent over a year fine-tuning and perfecting our system to make sure you get great results. Now, the reason why this works so well is because our system finds videos that have already gone viral and are already making other people money. Our system then gives you those videos so you too can have success with them. That's why it's no surprise that we get paid $25 or $50 for every video we upload. Remember, these are completely done for you, and all you have to do is upload the videos we give you inside of the incredible Upload and Bank. The system allows you to earn influencer and celebrity income without having to get famous or show our face. This is the exact same system that influencers and worldwide celebrities are using to cash in big time, like Selena Gomez, Khaby Lame, Billie Eilish, The Rock, Grant Cardone, and even Snoop Dogg. And remember, I can't stress enough the fact that you don't need to get on camera or record videos of yourself. After all, who wants to do that? Boring. Instead, the videos are given to you so you won't have to do any complicated tech work. Think of yourself as a delivery man, but instead of delivering boxes to houses, you're delivering videos online. That's what you're getting paid for. Now, at this point, you likely have an interest in Upload and Bank, but you're likely wondering how much it's going to cost you. It's probably going to be expensive, right? Well, here's the deal. After we were done developing Upload and Bank, we thought of charging $257 monthly for access, and this would be a very fair price. After all, Upload and Bank pays us $25 every time we upload videos, so it'd quickly pay for itself. But we get it. $257 monthly is a lot to commit to. Perhaps you've been burned before. And I understand if you're skeptical with all the BS floating around, so I'm going to make you an offer you can't refuse. Instead of charging you $257 per month, I'm going to offer Upload and Bank at a low one-time price that anyone can afford. This will ensure that everyone has a fair shot of making money online, and it's our way of giving back to the community. However, there's a catch. Indeed, there are some strings attached. If you want to qualify for this special discount, you can't delay. You must act now. That's because we'll only be offering this discount to a limited number of customers. Once all the spots are taken up, the doors will be closed. And if you know us, we don't mess around with that fake scarcity bullcrap. When I say something, I mean it. So if you come back later, you could lose your spot. Why risk that when you could have acted right now? And speaking of risk, there's none. You're backed by our rock-solid 180-day money-back guarantee. It's quite simple. If you aren't satisfied for any reason whatsoever, we'll refund every penny of your money without hesitation, because if we haven't delivered you value, we don't deserve your money. So what are you waiting for? There's no way for you to lose. The best thing for you to do for you and your wallet is to click the button below right now and get your hands on Upload and Bank at the lowest price. This is a decision that'll quickly pay for itself, so take the plunge, click the button below, and secure access to Upload and Bank. We'll see you on the inside.